Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to change the navigation type and button order on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a simple yet important feature that can enhance your user experience and make your phone usage more efficient. So, let's get started. First, you need to launch the Settings app. You can do this by tapping on the gear icon from your home or app screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Display option and tap on it. From the Display settings, you'll see an option called Navigation Bar. Go ahead and tap on that. Finally, you'll be able to select your preferred navigation type and button order. You can choose between buttons and swipe gestures for your navigation type. As for the button order, you can set it to use the default or the alternative selection. If you select swipe gestures, the button order will not become accessible. Instead, more options are enabled. To view additional options, tap More Options. On the succeeding window, you'll see two swipe gesture options, including swipe from bottom and swipe from sides and bottom. Simply tap to mark your preferred swipe gesture. There is also an option for you to use swipe gesture to open Assistant app and a slider for you to adjust gesture sensitivity from lower to higher and vice versa. Just customize it according to your preference and you're all set. And that's it. You've just learned how to change the navigation type and button order on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, customizing your phone settings can greatly improve your overall user experience. So, don't be afraid to explore and tweak these settings to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.